Why file integrity matters?
Every time you store or share encrypted files, file integrity is crucial. If an encrypted file is changed, even slightly, it could mean corruption, tampering, or data loss. Verifying integrity ensures your confidential information remains authentic and secure, giving you peace of mind that only the original unaltered files are in use.
Understanding digital signatures.
Digital signatures are a powerful way to confirm file authenticity. When you sign an encrypted file with a private key, anyone with the corresponding public key can verify it. This process not only proves the file hasn't changed, but also confirms it comes from a trusted source. Digital signatures are widely used in secure documents and software updates.
How to use checksums for verification.
A checksum is a unique fingerprint for your file. To create one, use a tool that calculates a hash value, such as SHA-256 or MD5, for your encrypted file. When you share or store the file, keep a note of this checksum. At any time, recalculate and compare it. If the checksum matches, your file hasn't been tampered with.
Tools for checking file integrity.
Verifying digital signatures and checksums is straightforward with common tools. For digital signatures, software like GnuPG, OpenSSL, or integrated features in many encryption apps make signing and verification easy. For checksums, utilities like SHA-256sum, MD5sum, or Windows built-in certutil can generate and compare hash values within seconds.
Best practices to stay protected.
Always verify encrypted files before trusting their contents or sharing them. Keep your private signing keys secure and distribute public keys or original checksums through trusted channels. Routine verification, especially with sensitive data, adds a crucial layer of protection against tampering, accidental corruption, or cyber threats.